My name is Ojo Isaac. I am an accounting software expert. I specialize on Sage 50, QuickBooks, Tally, Busy Accounting, and ERP like Sage 200 and 300. We are organizing training for Sage 50 and QuickBooks and spreadsheet application for data analytics and intermediate Excel. We are expecting the following participants to be in attendance: the accountants, auditors, sales manager, procurement manager, finance manager, bosses, and the like. At the end of this training, you will be able to set up different ledgers and post transactions from books of original entry to final accounts. Also, you will be able to extract management reports for management decision taking, like statement of financial position, income statement, cash flow statement, statement of equity, value added statement, account receivable, accounts payable, inventory management, and many more. Click on the link below to register for this course that will change your life. Thank you.